Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today it's time for my monthly unboxing of Petit Vour, I think is how you say that. I'm not French. I say this in every one of these videos. I'm sorry if you know how to say it. Please correct me down below. But yeah, I unbox these every month. Today, the day I'm filming this is May 1st. This is April's box. I literally got it last night, which is super annoying. I mean, I can't like yell at them too much because it was technically in the month, but it was literally the last day of the month, which just always comes late. I usually get it like around the 20th, but for it to be the 30th is a little bit ridiculous, and I'm not really super thrilled about it. But yeah, so I'm filming on the 1st. It's probably gonna be like the 5th before this is up, just because I already have videos going up. So sorry. I honestly didn't think I was gonna get the box this month because it was so late. So if you didn't know, this is a cruelty-free subscription box. Everything in here is cruelty-free. Sometimes you get like vegan products and like eco-friendly and all that stuff, which is great. So I do enjoy that part. You do get a fun little card. They're always floral, and they always are just like different colors. This month is blue. It's really cute. Well, let's just dive in. You usually get 4 products is the norm, and they're usually like one makeup product and then some like hair care, skincare stuff, which is okay, I guess. I like makeup, and that's what I want to get in my boxes, but usually these boxes are mostly skincare. Like this product. This is the EIR NYC plus African Black Soap Active Face Wash. Not mad at it. I don't really have many face washes, so this is cool. Oh, I got it on my shirt. Yeah, smells clean. Doesn't really have a scent. I got it on my shirt. Actually, this is my boyfriend, my fiance, excuse me. This is Dylan's shirt, which is cool. It's like Dilly Dilly, that's what my family calls him, don't ask. Yeah, so there's this. What is this price? The face wash is $20, oh my God. Surely this little one is not $20, surely. It says this foaming, oh yay, it foams, I love foaming wash. This foaming cleanser exfoliates, minimizes scarring, and brings breakouts to a screeching halt. So we love that. It is made with African black soap known to reduce discoloration and dark spots. I don't really have acne or dark spots or scars on my face, but like I could definitely use the exfoliation, and I like foaming cleansers, so we'll try it. Next is by Juice Beauty, which is actually a brand that I have heard of. This is an antioxidant serum. That's cool, I guess. This is $6. So the serum is like a daily vitamin for your skin. Use after cleansing and before moisturizing to infuse your skin with a healthy dose of what is that word? Resveratrol, I don't know, and hyaluronic acid. So basically it's gonna moisturize your face and give it cleansing. I don't know. Yeah, it's another skincare step is what it is, let's be honest. So that's cool, I guess. Next thing is by Bellissima. It's the Refine Rescue Step 6 Mask Clay Renewal Treatment. There's this little potted guy here. It's clay renewal, so I'm assuming this is probably for like acne. Ugh, I hate the way that smells. It smells like lemon, which I like the lemon, but then it's got like it's probably sage, lemon and sage. That's a normal combination. I like the lemon, but I don't like the after scent. So it looks like it's just a little clay mask. This retails for $10, so not bad. It says apply once a week for 15 minutes to draw out impurities, refine skin texture, improve hydration, and prevent and treat breakouts. You can also use it as an overnight spot treatment for blemishes. Yeah, that's kind of what I thought what it was for, was like acne and like spot treating. But this says that it also improves hydration, which I can definitely use. And skin texture, I do have a lot of texture, mostly on my like body. Like you can probably see, yeah, you can see all my little bumps that I have all over my arms, which is always fun. But yeah, I do have that, so this could help that. Draw out impurities, maybe it'll work on my blackheads, maybe. And the last thing, which is actually a makeup item, is by Calais or Cali, I'm not sure. Looks like this. The packaging is super cute, and it is the Beach Babe Natural Brows. So retails for $14. Oh, made with castor oil to stimulate hair growth. I don't love that. My brows are very thick and they grow in very thick and they grow very fast, so I don't love that. It says this brow definer glides on easily, has a powder finish, and stays put all day. Use light upward strokes to apply. So that could be cool if it's gonna have like a powder finish. Oh, it's got little like brows on the side there. Focus. Focus. Not gonna focus. Okay, whatever. It's got the arched, steeped, S-shape, round, and straight. I think my brows are probably straight, according to this. Maybe a little, maybe a little bit arched, but mostly straight, according to this little chart here. So this is just a brow pencil. It does say it's non-toxic, cruelty-free, eco-friendly, no artificial dyes or fragrances, no parabens, SLS, phthalates, petroleum, or silicone. That's cool. It's made with watermelon. Cool. Hibiscus, papaya, mango, jasmine, and pineapple. That's cool. And it is eco-friendly, which is awesome. Packaging is cute. It's a little pink pencil. And I'm assuming it says roll up. Ooh, no, it does not roll up. Okay. Yep, it's a pencil. Not excited about that. It's in the shade brunette, which is a good, ooh, wow. Okay. That actually matches my new hair color very well. This is very soft. It definitely does look like a powder. And it does smudge, so you will have to set this, but okay. I'm not gonna knock this one until I try it, so definitely gonna try this one out. I put it in my brows now. My brows are very dark right now, and I don't want this to like look weird in comparison, so not gonna do that. But that's everything, you guys. So excited about the brow pencil. Don't really care about the clay mask, but I mean, I'll try it. I'll use the serum eventually, and I am excited about the face wash just because I think I'm almost out. So that's the box. I don't get excited about this box too often, but that brow pencil I think would be fun. I don't have a lot of brow pencils that I love, honestly. I usually use powder. Right now I have a like cushion brow thing going on that I'm kind of liking, so that's it. Let me know down below if you guys get this box or what subscriptions you guys do get and what your favorite one is and all that fun stuff. Like this video before you go if you want to see future unboxings from me, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of my videos. Bye guys.